Let's make an image in Stable Diffusion using ControlNet. We will use this image from Lexica as reference. So we save this image into our PC. Now we are going to copy the exact prompt of this image. And we paste it into Stable Diffusion. Now we are going to drag and drop our reference image into ControlNet. Now we are going to set some parameter for ControlNet. Okay, let's generate our image. You can see it's ready and it looks very similar to our reference image. Now let's upscale it. And here it is. You can find this image on our Instagram. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.